Leather is an elegant and durable material, but one caveat is that keeping it in tip-top shape requires regular cleaning and maintenance. That's where leather cleaners come in. Whether you're dealing with a vintage leather jacket, a comfortable leather couch, or a pair of stylish leather sneakers, having the right leather cleaner on hand is essential for maintaining the integrity of your pieces and extending their lifespan. Hello guys, today in this video we are going to help you find out the best leather cleaners in the market. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer reviews, and more. If you want to see their price and more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 1. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Leather Honey is a trusted brand for its safe formula and how it breathes life back into various leather goods, from furniture to car interiors to jackets. Cleaning expert Katie Berry likes Leather Honey's Complete Leather Care Kit, which comes with a 4-ounce bottle of leather cleaner and an 8-ounce bottle of leather conditioner. Neither product actually contains honey, but keep in mind that the brand doesn't disclose the ingredients that actually are in its formulas. This is a natural product, made in the USA, which deeply conditions leather to keep it supple, says Berry. I'm impressed by how many stains I've been able to get out with it, like lipstick, pet stains, and mud. It doesn't stink, and it doesn't leave leather sticky. Despite the name, it does not contain wax or animal products. I use it twice a year on my leather car seats and shoes. Number 2. Lexol Trigger Foaming Leather. For those seeking a budget-friendly option, Berry recommends Lexol's Leather Cleaner and Leather Conditioner Kit. The kit does a good job at both cleaning and conditioning, she says. This kit provides comprehensive care for your leather items at a more accessible price point. It's designed to clean, condition, and protect leather while helping to restore its soft, supple texture. And the products are easy to apply thanks to the convenient spray bottles. However, Berry points out a few areas where this product could be improved. Lexol says the oil-based conditioner's protection lasts 6 months, but I found it's closer to 3 months, she said. This used to be made in the United States but is now manufactured overseas. Since it contains emulsified tanning oils, it is also not vegan, which may be important to some. There is also an aroma with this product that some users might find unpleasant. Number 3. Chemical Guys SPI. The Chemical Guys Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is Berry's pick for the best kit and stands out for its ability to effectively clean real and synthetic leather. It does a great job cleaning real and synthetic leather without leaving a sticky mess, Berry says. It is also made in the USA, has a mild scent, and deeply conditions leather. This kit includes a cleaner and conditioner that work together to revitalize your leather products and protect them from future damage. It is designed to restore the original appearance and feel of the leather without the unpleasant residual stickiness often associated with some products. There is a cure time post-application, during which the surface of the leather will feel sticky, but that will dissipate once the item is completely dry. Overall, it's an excellent product for anyone who isn't adamant about using natural or non-toxic products, Berry says. Number 4. Clyde's Leather Conditioning Cream. Clyde's leather conditioner is excellent at rejuvenating leather products that have lost their shine over time. The conditioner's creamy texture allows for easy application, and its non-greasy formula ensures that it doesn't leave any unwanted residue on your leather items. The manufacturer promises that it nourishes, restores, and protects leather, which can extend the life of your goods and keep them looking new. The container is small for the price, but a little goes a long way with this standout conditioner with excellent nourishing properties. Number 5. Leather Master Leather Care. The Leather Master Cleaning and Conditioning Kit is a comprehensive leather cleaning and maintenance solution. This kit includes the Leather Master Soft Cleaner, Leather Master Conditioning Cream, a cleaning sponge, and a cleaning cloth. Even though the manufacturer doesn't list the exact ingredients, it does state that the formulas are water-based and chemical-free. The cleaner is highly effective in removing tough stains and dirt from various types of leather surfaces and is also gentle enough for regular maintenance cleaning. The conditioner provides top-notch nourishment and hydration to leather, helping to restore its suppleness and preventing drying and cracking. The non-greasy formula is absorbed quickly into the leather without leaving behind any residue. The price is on the higher side for the size of the products, but if you're looking for a top-notch cleaner and conditioner duo that absorbs quickly and leaves no residue, Leather Master is a great choice. Number 6. Weiman Leather Cleaner. The Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner is an American-made product known for its efficacy in rejuvenating leather car interiors. It not only cleans and restores the leather but also provides UVX-15 sunscreen protection. This is an impressive feature as it shields your car's leather from the sun's harmful rays, thereby prolonging its life and vibrancy. The formula also restores the color and suppleness of leather car interiors, although it may take some time or elbow grease to remove difficult or older stains.